Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the YouTube channel of CLA Degree College Chikodi. As well as I also welcome you all to the income tax subject. So as you know, we are learning second chapter, that is set up and carry forward of losses. So in that already we learnt the meaning of set off, the meaning of carry forward, also inter source adjustment and inter head adjustments. So regarding all these concepts we already discussed in the previous session. So today in this session we are going to be learn and very important part of the chapter, that is certain rules regarding setup of losses. Means, as you know, there are 5 heads of income. We can't set off all the losses with any other heads. So there are certain rules to set off the losses. So let's we discuss such rules in this chapter or in this session. So let's move for the today's concept of the chapter, that is rules of set off the losses. Rules the set off the losses. So ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೇನ್ರಿ, set off the losses means adjustment of loss of one head with the income of other head, right? It means it is not possible to adjust all the losses with any head. ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಡ್ ಲಾಸ, ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ for set off the losses. So with the rules we should set off or we should adjust the losses, right? So let's discuss what are the rules to set off the losses. So let's move for the next concept of the class, that is first one. So loss of house property. So as you know, there are 5 heads of income. In that very first one is income from salary, income from house property, next income from business and profession, capital gain and income from other sources. So these are the 5 heads of income. So in these 5 heads, the first head is income from salary. So it is not possible to bear the loss of the salary. ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿದಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಲಾಸ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಹೆಡ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ business and profession, capital gain and income from other source. So in that first we discuss regarding loss of house property. If an house property incurred the loss, such loss can be set off with which head? House property ಇಂದ ಬಂದಂತ ಲಾಸ ಯಾವ ಹೆಡ್ ಗುಡಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ loss of house property. So loss of house property can be set off with, so here we discuss now where we set off this one. So first one, loss of house property we can set off with income of house property, right? House property ದಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತ ಲಾಸ ಎದುರುಗುಡಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್, ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ set off the loss of house property. Next, The loss of house property also we can set off with the income of business or profession. Income of business and profession. We can set off with this income also. And next, we also set off with capital gain. That may be long-term capital gain or short-term capital gain. We can set off with this head also. And very last one, we can set off income from other source except casual income, means winning from lottery, winning from horse race. If such income is there, that is not used to set off the loss of house property. Except that, we can set off with other source also. So here please concentrate now. Income from, that is income from house property, income from salary, income from business and profession, capital gain and other source. These are the 5 heads of income. It means loss of house property can be set off with income of house property, income of salary, next income of business and profession, next capital gain, and also with income of other source except casual income. It means loss of house property can be set off with any head of income, right? Any head of income. 5 head income ಜೊತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನಾ? ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಗುರ್ತಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್, loss of house property can be set off with any 5 heads, means including house property itself. ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಎಸ್. Loss of house property can be set off with income of house property, income of salary, income of business and profession, capital gain, income of other source. But where we can accept casual income. So house property the loss ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. It is the first rule of setup for the house property, right? House property then first, right? So now we move for next concept of the chapter, that is here loss from business. Loss from business. So loss from business ಯಾವ ಹೆಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ, ಲಾಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ರಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, business is classified into 2 types. One is speculative business, another one is non-speculative business. So set off and carry forward goskara ರೀ loss of business ಎಷ್ಟು category ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ? 2 categories. One is speculative business, another one is non-speculative business. So speculative business is a business where it engage in the speculations, means for example shares, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ದಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವ್ರಿ. ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಾಗ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಅದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು first of all, it is classified into 2 categories. First one is loss from speculative business and another one is loss from non-speculative business, right? So for the purpose of setup and carry forward, the business is classified into 2 categories. One is a speculative business, another one is non-speculative business. Now how we set off the loss of speculative business and how we set off the loss of non-speculative business, let's we see here. So first one, loss of speculative business. So here, loss from speculative business can be set off only with the income from speculative business. So please concentrate this one, right? So it is income from speculative business only. Yes, this is, remember, loss from speculative business can be set off with the income of speculative business only. We cannot set off this loss. We cannot set off this loss with other head. Say for example, house property, salary, then come to the capital gain, other source. No, we should not use the income of these head to set off this loss, right? So please keep in your mind, the loss of speculative business can be set off only with the income of speculative business. Speculative business loss of speculative jothe ashta ನಾವು ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. If it is not set off in the current year with the speculative income, then such loss we can carry forward for subsequent year, right? We should not try to set off with other head. Understood na? Yes. Now we move for next one, loss of non-speculative business. So let's see for next one, that is loss from speculative business. How we set off the loss from speculative business? So here loss from speculative business can be set off income of house property. Income of house property ಜೊತೆ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದ್ರಿ. Next, second one is income of business, that may be speculative or non-speculative. SP means speculative, it is NSP means non-speculative. So we can set off the loss of non-speculative with speculative as well as non-speculative business also. So if it is not possible set off there, then we can set up with the capital gain, that may be long term or short term. And last one is income from other source. Here also except casual income. So you should not use casual income to set up any head, right? So that is, you please remember. So here now, loss from speculative business can be set off with the income of house property, income of business, that may be speculative business or non-speculative business. Next, we can set up with capital gain, that may be short-term capital gain or long-term capital gain. And last one is income from other source except casual income. So it means the loss from speculative business, that is loss from non-speculative business, we can set off with any head except one head is not there. Yes, can somebody guess that head? Yes, very good. Income from salary. Except income from salary, you can set off this loss with any head. Income from salary ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಸಿಯರ್ income from business, otherwise loss from business. So for the setup and carry forward, business is classified into two categories. One is speculative, another one is non-speculative. Speculative loss can be set up with, yes, very good, speculative income. Next, loss of non-speculative can be set up with any head except income from salary. So we can set up with income from house property, income of business, capital gain, and income of other source. So this is the rule for set off to the loss of non-speculative business, right? So now move for next one, that is capital loss. So as you know, there are two types of capital gains. Can someone tell me what are the types of capital gains? Yes, first one is short term capital gain, another one is long term capital gain. So in the same manner, sometime it incur the loss, so then we call it is short term capital loss and long term capital loss. So for the setup and carry forward, so this loss again classified into two categories, that is first one is short term capital loss and another one is long term capital loss. Short term capital loss and long term capital loss. So how we set up short term capital loss? Let's we see here. So short term capital loss can be set off only with short term capital gain or long term capital gain. So here loss from short term capital gain, loss. So short term capital loss can be set off with short term capital gain as well as long term capital gain. So it means capital gain jitne agirabekre, that may be short term or long term. So I repeat, short term capital loss can be set off with short term capital gain or long term capital gain. We should not use income of other heads to set off the loss. ಈ ಲಾಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಲಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಲಾಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಲಾಗಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ನಾ? ಎಸ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ capital loss can be set off only with the long term capital gain. So see here, only with the long term capital gain. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಎತ್ರ ರೂಢಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೀ. ಬಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಾವು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ರೀ. ಬಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ long term capital gain. So this is for capital gain. And next we move for last one, that is income from other source. So here sometime it incurs loss from other source. So loss from other source itella, for the setup and carry forward, again it is classified into two categories. So let's we see what are that categories. First one is loss from owning a race horse, right? And another one is loss from other source, means except owning race horse. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಉಳ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. So for the setup and carry forward, we classified these two. So first one, how we can set up the loss from owning a race horse. So let's we see that one. First one, that is loss from owning a racehorse. So here this loss only we can set off with the income from owning a racehorse. Yes, loss from owning a racehorse ಇಂದ ಬಂದದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ರ ಗುಡಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓನಿಂಗ್ ರೇಸ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ರೈಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ರೈಟ್, so this is only with the income from owning race horse. So now we go for last one, that is loss from other source except owning race horse. So here loss from other source can only set off with the income from other source. Income from other source ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದ್ರಿ. So these are the some rules to set off and carry forward of losses. So in brief, once again I will discuss all the rules. So first one, here loss of house property can be set up with yes any head ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ business. For business we can make two types of business, speculative business and non-speculative business. So I will take first one, speculative business. Loss from speculative business can be set up with S, income from speculative business. Next, non-speculative business. So here with any head except salary ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ I will write here, short term capital loss can be short term plus long term gain. Next, long term capital gain with only long term capital gain, right? Short term only short term plus long term, and long term only with long term. Next, owning race horse with only owning race horse, and other source with only other source. So these are the some clues. With the help of these you come to know. You make the notes for this one. So I also provide a notes for this one. I give one chart. With the help of that chart you come to know easily which loss can we set up with which head, right? So there are certain rules how we can set up. So that are the rules, and there are certain rules for carry forward the losses. So about that we can discuss in the next class ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So today we discussed about the rules for set off the losses, right? So how we set off the loss of house property, how we set up the loss of speculative business, how we set off the loss of non-speculative business, how we set off the loss of short term loss, otherwise long term loss, and how we set up the loss from owning a racehorse, and how we set up the loss of other source. So certain rules we studied here. So you please make the note for all these rules and keep in study. So in the next class I will come with the next new concept with this of this chapter, that is carry forward. So for the carry forward there are certain rules that also we can study in the next class. And also how we set off means first we set off inter source head, and later we go for inter head income. So about that things we discuss it is in next class, right? So till then, thank you everyone.